Okay, with this tutorial we're going to look at part 4 of activity 6, circumpolar constellations. We again look at the planisphere or the star calendar. And for this question number 1 under part 4, we simply want to hit the play button and go day by day. This will see how the night sky changes over the course of a calendar year. And you simply want to take notice as to what constellations will never go below the horizon marked by the outer gray circle here. In the previous part 3, we looked at how the constellations will change from season to season. Okay? Obviously, to the north, we have what are called the circumpolar constellations. So go ahead and take a look at, after a few months have gone by, make sure you know what constellations don't ever set below the horizon for someone at a mid-northern latitude, which is a good example of what Michigan is. And go ahead and fill in the answers to the particular portion of the results sheet. Okay. The rest of part 4, we need to go to File, Open Settings, and select Bowls of the Dippers. We can go ahead and click off the box here. They do ask that our time is set to 10 p.m. So we'll go ahead and set that and close that out. We can always double check our time down towards the bottom at 10 p.m. We're good to go. Then we want to go to Chart, Sky View, Local Horizon, then go to Window, find Location Panel, open that up. We want to grab the white circle here with the black X. And we want to aim for about 43 degrees north latitude, 84 degrees west longitude. That's about as close as we need to get for us in the mid-Michigan area. Go ahead and close that out. Then we go to the display and we click on the coordinate grids, show grid, and we will go back and make sure that the equatorial grid is select, which it is. We also want reference markers, so show reference markers. And we will make sure that the celestial poles are checked. Under labels, we will make sure that reference points are checked. Okay. That allows us to see the north celestial pole, or the location on the celestial sphere directly above the north geographic pole. I need to double click twice. That'll center the NCP. Okay. And then we will want to zoom out as far as possible. Accidentally clicked an info box there, so if that ever happens to you, just go into the window and check off whichever one you don't want in your way. What happened was I clicked a star somewhere up here and it picked up on that to give me the info box. Okay, down below here we have the plus and negative. So this is zooming out, this is zooming in. And then what we simply want to do is cycle through the year here and see how the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, change their orientation over the course of the year. So here we have the Big Dipper over here. And the nice thing about using the Big Dipper to find the north celestial pole is we use these two stars here and draw a straight line out. And the next brightest star that we get is the star Polaris. And you see Polaris is very close, not exactly on, but very close to the north celestial pole. It gives us a good marker nonetheless to see where exactly the north celestial pole is. Okay. Once you go through the course of the year and see the different orientations of the Big Dipper, go down to your answer sheet, and you'll want to do Insert, Shapes. This is if you have Word 07, and you'll want to draw some lines. And again, do a rough estimate here. A couple of clicks will start your lines. Continue the rest of the lines that make up the Big Dipper. If your sketch is rather crude, so be it, but do the best you can with drawing in the Big Dipper. And then, of course, we're going to start the Little Dipper with Polaris at the north celestial pole and then extend it back towards the Big Dipper. That's it.